Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, where we talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. Today, we went over and helped unload some wreaths for the upcoming Wreaths Across America event. That happens this Saturday all across the nation, where we put wreaths on the gravestones at veteran cemeteries. If you get a chance, get out and support this event. If you do support this event, leave me a comment. Let me know where you go to do Wreaths Across America in this great nation. Thanks, and keep on riding. What's up? How you doing?
All right.
How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Hey, cousin, this is my favorite Viking. Can I get a picture of y'all too? Oh, come on, get your ass right next to him there. You know what the hell I'm talking about, Johnny. Damn.
What's up?
You always gotta get me crazy sometimes.
You can go grab me some gloves out of the truck.
Okay. They actually finally got a place covered to load stuff up there now. That makes a big difference.
If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you do YouTube, go out and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell to be notified when we drop new content. Thanks, be safe, and keep on riding.